During this lesson, you are going to learn more about measurement as well as practicing your engineering skills. You are going to be trying to measure the tubes out, find what pieces fit. Sometimes you may have to add or subtract numbers away. Try to turn and manipulate the tubing to figure out how to get your person all the way to the end and end up getting the juice boxes. This is by PBS Kids Odd Squad, and it's really going to test your brain and your engineering skills along with some of your math skills. At first, you'll watch the little
Attention,
video.
Agent. The Odd Squad tube system is broken.
The tubes are how Odd Squad agents get around. The Zoe says it's up to us to fix it. Odd Squad needs you.
After you watch the video, you press the start, and it's going to
Attention,
begin.
agents. The Odd Squad tube system is broken. Click a number to open a level.
You will start at 1 and work all the way through. If you notice, it will progress all the way up through level 30. And then once you've done that, you have officially beat the game. So I'm going to start with level 1.
Click and drag the arrow to open your ruler and see how many squares you need to fill.
So he told me what to do. So I click the arrow and I need to measure with my ruler.
Good. Now choose a tube to fill the empty space.
Okay, I can see that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches long. So I'm going to decide I can either do 3 plus 2 or I can do 5 and make it easy. So if I want to do 3, then I know that 3 I have to add 2
That's it.
to get the
You've
tubing.
learned how to use the ruler and fill the empty space. Let's test it. Click the launch button to send an agent through the tubes.
Once you have done that, then you will need to launch your person. Let's say that I made the wrong choice. I can go up to my gear and I can choose the back arrow here to redo this level. It looks almost like a waffle. The little squares will take you back to go to the wrong level if you accidentally clicked on the wrong thing. So I press launch and he takes off. And hopefully my equation was right.
Good work. Now you're ready to play.
Now you have a couple options. You can, let's say you only got 1 juice box and you really wanted to get all 3, you can choose to replay right here. Or if you got enough juice boxes or if you are happy with the progress you have made, press the next arrow and keep working.
Collect all of Nisso's juice boxes as you go to earn new sections of tube.
So as you can see, it starts out really easy,
That's it.
but then it
You've learned how to use
gets
the ruler
really
and fill the empty
challenging.
space.
So as I go on, it's going to get even harder and I'm really going to have to think and use my brain. So like now, I know that there's not a number 7 up here. So I have to think about what 2 numbers can I add to make 7. Figure it out. And then of course I launch. I hope you enjoy this activity and practice your measurement skills as well as some addition skills and your engineering skills, because one day you'll be able to rule the world using all of these skills. Have fun!